What's going on, guys? I just want to shot this really quick video because I want to prove some people, and show them all the angles when you scale, when you don't scale. So this is what's going on when you scale down, because Facebook was all over the place the other day. So I was like, fuck Facebook, I'm not gonna burn money and make such a low profit. So I start scaling down. Let me show you this. If I go to this month, I was ramping up 52K, then I start scaling down little by little by little by little because Facebook was all over the place. Okay, so I did $480,000 without counting the refunds. Refund was an issue because my distributor told me 3 days for delivery, and it's been more than 2 weeks since he has. So I had to refund a bunch of people, and that is nothing to do with what we generate. We generate $480,000. Okay, so yesterday they scaled down. Okay. And today I literally left only the winners. So we are at $1,800. Don't count the refunds, $1,800. And look how much I spent. I spent only $673. So this is what I always said to my students. A low ROI, meaning a low spend, you're gonna have a huge ROI, but once you start scaling, your ROI will decrease. And when people start seeing that, they stop scaling because they got, I don't know if it's fear, it's because, I don't know, they don't understand the math. But yes, so right now, if I do $1,800 times 20%, which is the cost of the product, is $360. So if I do $360, right, plus $673, okay, minus $1,800, okay, I'm at $767 profit. So if I do 767 divided by 673, I'm at times 100. I'm at 113% ROI from the money I spent. Does that make sense, guys? This makes sense? Okay, so this is what I'm telling you. When you spend low money, your ROI will be huge. When you start scaling, your ROI will decrease. But at the same time, let me ask you a question. If you have the capital, are you ready? Do you rather spend $50,000 to make $10,000 profit? Or you'd rather spend $700 and make $800 profit? That is a question you got to answer yourself. So once you get the capital or the funds to scale, yes, your ROI will go dramatically low from 113 to my case, I seen days of 15% ROI, low days, okay, when Facebook is all over the place. But on an average, it's about 45% ROI, meaning that if I spend $55,000 on a day times 45% ROI, my profit will be $24,000. I take that all day long. That is 45% ROI. But the mindset you need to acquire is that the more you spend, the more money you will make. Don't count how much money you spend if you have the cash flow to spend, because at the end of the day, even if you spend $70,000 a day to make $10,000 profit, tomorrow you will get paid, guess what? Whatever the store makes. So that money goes in and out, in and out, in and out. And that is the math you need to understand in order to scale aggressively and high. Don't think that if I scale this, that I'm 113% ROI to $50,000 spend, I'm gonna make the same ROI. No, it's impossible. It is impossible. So that's what I'm telling you guys, and I'm showing you this and to show you, proof is in the pudding. $763, $1,800 made. $1,886 made. Okay, hopefully this actually clarifies some of your doubts. That's why some of you people don't ever scale. Okay, as soon as you start scaling, your ROI will decrease. Get it in your mind. But the more money you spend, the more money you make. Bye bye.